How to block apps on Google Play Store. So if you want to block apps on your Google Play Store, then first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can go for your profile, which is on the upper right, and here you can go for settings, and under settings here you can go for family option, which is on the fourth, and then here you will have parental controls. Tap on that, and here you need to turn that on. So you need to enter a pin. You need to create a content pin. So simply create a pin and then tap on OK, and you need to again confirm it and again tap on OK, and here you need to tap on games and apps and games, and here you need to choose the age. So you can simply tap on any one of these age. So it says that parental controls restrict purchases or downloads from Google Play. Apps and games already installed will still be visible on devices. You can select the age so that the person or anyone using this device will not be able to download the applications which is under 7 plus age or under 12 plus age. So they won't be able to download the application which is under this age. So that's it. That's how you block apps on Google Play Store, and you can tap on save and it will be blocked. So that's it. But if you want to remove that, then you can again toggle off that parental control, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.